Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 5 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Jack helped Rose climb blank to the top deck. A. Off. B. Up. C. Down. Correct answer, up, to show movement to a higher position. The ship was breaking blank as it sank. A. Up. B. Down. C. Around. Correct answer, down, to show movement to lower position. Rose refused to get blank the ship without Jack. A. Off. B. Across. C. Around. Correct answer, off, away from something. News blank the world reported the disaster. A. Off. B. Around. C. Across. Correct answer, around, to spread in many directions. The water spread quickly blank the ship's rooms. A. Across. B. Up. C. Down. Correct answer, across, to show movement. Like, comment and subscribe.